You want sunshine in the brain when it's going. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far.
Hey guys, what up? So today I'm going to be doing a dentist vlog and a bowling vlog because I have bowling practice today and I'm going to the dentist with mommy. I'm going to get my teeth cleaned or whatever. So you know we rolling in the whip right now. You dig? And I'm so cold because I got my little shirt on or whatever. But you know what? It's whatever because I look good right now. What is that supposed to mean? You trying to say I don't look good? Ooh, can we put it right here? Yes! If my phone falls, we're gonna have a big problem. Sun-kissed. Ooh! Alright, let's put on some tunes. What's going on? Magic Molly Mall. I like my tape rock to my tape hot. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack. With the hat to match. I remember Marvin Gaye. The hard. This fall. Cause I'm rhyme tight. Up a window, women, I used to eat sardines for dinner. Right, big boy. You gotta sing it with me. I just know the chorus. Okay. And if you don't know, now you know. You know. You know very well who you are. Before the start, I had to go. But you're the only one that give you good name. Talk close and personal with Robin Leach and a farm cheap. I smoke smoke with my peeps all day. Spread love, it's the Brooklyn way. The gotta be a gangster. Keep me busy. Girls used to diss me. Now they write letters, but they miss me. They miss me. I was too used to packing eggs and stuff. Now honeys play me close like butter play coat. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast. Condos and Queens, Indo for weeks. You from the East Coast? I don't know. South Coast. Living like without girl, yeah. Mama gonna get you 5 carrots. Cause I dropped out of high school. Yeah. No. Kentrell be like. I'm getting it.
And you're 14, right?
Yeah, it's about to be 15 in February.
Huh?
I'm turning 15 in February.
We have to make a video.
Yeah.
Well, what kind of video?
You have to say hi to my YouTube.
Hello, it's Dr. Lisa. Come to check some teeth to see if there's any boogers.
Oh my gosh. All right, so anyways, we was just talking about you, Haley. Anyways, but I just came back from the dentist. I feel like I'm screaming right now, but I just came back from the dentist. I got my teeth cleaned or whatever, and that lady. Anyways, I know. And that lady, okay, so you know how they put the little thing in your mouth and they like suck all the water out? So she had just finished cleaning my teeth and you know, I was slobbering. So when she had left the room, I had got the thing and I started sucking it out my own mouth. And she thought it was the funniest thing ever.
Yeah, because you don't work there.
Okay, but anyways, so then my mom wanted to tell a lady or whatever. And so then when she came back, she took the little thing off. So I didn't know that. And then I tried to suck some more in my mouth and I turned around, the thing is gone. So she was just like, oh, you're not supposed to be touching that or whatever, basically. But she didn't really say it, you know. Her sense of humor sucked. But anyways. All right, so I'm at bowling practice, y'all. Huh?
I'm not doing anything now.
The ball probably stuck. But I got Desiree here. I love her so much and enjoy it here. She's sad because she started her little month today. Shut up. Here's Miss Wahlbecker here.
is for my vlog. You know, you be watching. I didn't break it.
You broke it?
I didn't break nothing. Y'all better leave me alone. The Jordan, what was that? And then here's Dominic, my babe. Smile. Ew, don't do that. But I'll be back once we start bowling since they claim that I broke it, but I didn't break it. I just got my first strike. Oh, I'm a winner, I'm a winner, I'm a winner, I'm a winner.
Okay, Shay. We have our number one bowler. No, number 6 bowler on the team because I know she's number 1 and she's bowling. She's about to get a strike, about to get a strike, about to get a strike, about to get a strike. Ah, she got a strike!
I got my favorite white boys.
Damn, racing, fuck.
Got Jamie, Mikey, Joey, and Gabe. And then we got Rodney over there. Rodney! Charlie! Woo!
Am I in the vlog?
And we're at bowling.
Skip the whole line. He was like,
Okay, shut up. Anyways, we're walking to Walmart right now so I can go get some new foundation because I ran out and Rodney's with us. It's really hot, but that sun is giving me life. Sun-kissed, you dig. Oh, it smells like chicken. Oh my god.
I've had some few places.
But yeah. Alright. So that's the end for this vlog or whatever. And I got what I wanted to get from Walmart. And so I'm about to take a bath and go to sleep and all of that. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with family, friends, and others, and a dog down the street. Bye, guys.